So this is a compound. Spacious compound, can take about 6 cars or more. So that's the pool area. So this is a boys' quarters area. It's a 2-bedroom boys' quarters. So but it's locked. That's the back. And this is a pool area. A very big pool. Big pool. So this is a hall as usual. Hall. Then this is a kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. This is a laundry. And this is storage. Beautiful kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Oven. Beautiful house. The guests. The guest room. Guest washroom. Okay. Beautiful staircase. with rosewood. This is upstairs, family area. This is a family area. This is the first bedroom, which overlooks the area. Beautiful, beautiful house. Spacious room. This is the washroom. This is a shower. It's a well sophisticated washroom. Okay, so bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. So it's the same design for bedroom number 1 and 2. So it's the same setup for bedroom number 1 and number 2. Bedroom number 3, very big enough. All rooms fitted with air conditioning. This is bedroom number 3's washroom. Every room has a water heater it is. So bedroom number 3. And this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Very spacious, very big. Master bedroom, very big, with a balcony which overlooks the community. A very beautiful community. It's the port. Fine house. One of the nicest house in the community. So master bedroom. This is the washroom. You have a suspended water closet, and then you have a square shower cubicle. Then you have a jacuzzi, and then state-of-the-art wash hand basin. This is a beautiful master bedroom. And this is a walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. The wardrobes are yet to be fixed inside. Walk-in closet. So it's a newly built house. Nobody has ever lived in before. So the family area, it overlooks the living room downstairs. And this place also leads to the balcony. Fine house. There's a pool downstairs. So that is it. So in all upstairs we have 4 bedrooms, all ensuite. Upstairs, every room has an air condition, and each washroom has an Ariston water heater, has a shower and a water closet. And then downstairs we have kitchen, we have the hall, the dining, and a 2-bedroom boys' quarters. So in all, everything sums up to 6 bedrooms with a beautiful pool, spacious car parking in a beautiful environment. Thank you.